Whether you're an absolute beginner or someone who's tried to learn a language before, this video will give you tips and strategies for a successful language learning journey. Tip number 1, set a goal. Start by setting a clear and achievable goal for why you want to learn a language. Whether it's for travel, work, or personal development, having a reason to learn will motivate you and give you directions. My tip number 2, find resources. There are countless resources available for learning a language, from textbooks and online courses to language exchange programs and conversation partners. Do research and find the resources that fit your learning style and schedule. Tip 3, immerse yourself. The best way to learn a language is to immerse yourself in it. Watch movies, listen to music, and talk to native speakers. Surrounding yourself with the language will help you internalize it and improve your skills faster. Tip number 4, practice regularly. Learning a language takes time and consistent effort. Make it a habit to practice regularly, whether that's for a few minutes a day or for an hour a week. The key is to make it a routine. Tip number 5, be patient and persistent. Language learning is a journey, not a destination. So be patient with yourself and don't give up if you encounter challenges. Remember that everyone makes mistakes, and that's part of the learning process. We hope these tips have been helpful in getting you started on your language learning journey. Don't be afraid to try new things and have fun with it. Give it a try, and happy learning. If you appreciated the video, if you liked it, I'll invite you to subscribe and to comment. Let me know if you apply them or that they will help you in your future learning. Goodbye.